Communicate with parents early and often. Share your class structure with them, making clear your policies around behavior, grading, etc. The more transparent you are with your instructional practices, the fewer problems you will have. It's really that simple. If you are not transparent, that invites parents to schedule meetings to question every decision you make about their child, and having meetings with parents so you can explain how their child got a B on an assignment is probably not a good use of your time. And remember that parents have a bigger impact on student success than you do. Thus, you want to get parents on board with what you are doing in the classroom as much as possible. So here are some ideas on how to do this. Create and share a classroom website. Create and share videos about your classroom and content and encourage parents to watch those videos with their kids. And send emails to parents sharing good news about their child. Even simple messages like, "Andre helped another student with an assignment today. I'm so glad he's in my class," can really pay off. Building positive relationships with parents is important.